Welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today we're going to be talking about Canva Docs. So years ago when Canva Docs was first announced, I created several videos on the topic, and there was one question that almost everyone asked. And that question was, how do you add a page break? Now, this wasn't possible with the original version of Canva Docs, but now it is. Let me show you how. Alright, so here I am inside Canva Docs, and I've authored this document. You can see I made use of another new feature, which is this banner at the top of the page. So I think that this is looking pretty good, but I'll notice that this is just one page. So what happens if I want to take my document and I want to break this up into two pages? It's actually pretty easy. So first, all you have to do is find the approximate spot where you want to add that page break, and you'll notice that wherever you put your cursor, there is now this quick actions menu. So let me go ahead and press it, and you can see there's a number of different options that you have, but I'm going to go all the way down, and you'll see now, look at this, page break. So now page break is a new feature inside Canva Docs. So now I'm going to select page break, and there we go. So now, instead of this just being a one-page document, we now have a two-page document. From here, I can share this, I can print this, I can do a number of different things. But again, fortunately now, Canva has added that small page break option. You just go to wherever you want to make the page break, you click the plus button, and you can see page break is here through the quick action menu, but also as a keyboard shortcut. So that's it. I just wanted to share this solution to a commonly asked question on my channel about Canva Docs. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If this is something that you like, it would be great if you could subscribe. And if you want to support this channel, feel free to leave a super thanks.